Should you buy the 2026 Toyota Sienna Hybrid? I get this question asked so many times in comments, and I literally had a couple walk into my store, husband and wife, who didn't even buy from us, and stopped me and said, hey, I've seen a lot of your videos on the future of the Toyota Sienna, and we got called from our store that a Sienna is about to arrive for us in a 2026 model. What should I do? Should I take it? Should I hold out for the 2027? And we had a little conversation, and I directed them with what I think they should do. I'm going to direct you as well because I know this question is still out there. Let's get right into it. Here's what I would do. If you're about to go in and order a brand new Toyota Sienna Hybrid, whether it's an LE or a Limited, regardless of the model, I would communicate with your store that you prefer to have and take delivery of a 2027 model. However, if you've already ordered a brand new Toyota Sienna Hybrid, whether it's 4 weeks ago or 4 months ago, and you've been notified that a brand new Sienna has been allocated to you in a 2026, I would take possession and continue with taking delivery of that model. Let me explain. First of all, we only have a few more months left to be receiving 2026 model Toyota Sienna Hybrids. After that, the factory will flip over to 2027 production, and what myself and everyone else is anticipating is some type of big change for the Toyota Sienna in the 27 model. So Sienna currently, the new or current generation, I should say, came out in 2021 as a 2021 model. So it's been quite some time that we've been dealing with the same body, the same or similar interior, similar tech. It's still on the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. So we are expecting some big changes for 2027, but Toyota hasn't released anything yet officially, but they should be soon if a new style or new changes are coming for 2027. What does that mean for you? Now, I do the best I can to answer a lot of the questions I get in the comments section of a lot of my videos, but sometimes it's hard. So if you want to ask me any specific questions or talk to me, I will be doing a live for my members of this channel early next week, probably on August 4th, and I'll try to do one at the beginning of every week for as long as I can. So if you're not a member to this channel, you can click and find the join button on the Toyota World YouTube channel, and we'll be having a live stream next week. Also, the Toyota Sienna is hybrid only, and for the most part, it's going to stay hybrid only even when the changes do come, whether it's for 2027 or after that. And if you're a little bit skeptical about going hybrid only, then you can download a free copy of a 50-page long hybrid ebook guide down in the description below. It talks about everything hybrid, what to expect for maintenance, reliability, fuel economy, how to improve efficiency, and more. And if you're already a Toyota hybrid owner and you want to maximize and get the best out of your Toyota hybrid, there is an available for purchase hybrid ebook toolkit guide that's a little bit more specific. It has some checklists, something like this. And if you appreciate content like this, consider subscribing to the Toyota World YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. So what does getting a 2027 Toyota Sienna Hybrid mean for you if you haven't yet gone in to place your order, and if you haven't yet been notified that a 2026 is already been allocated and coming for you? Well, here are some changes that we're expecting to see on the next new Sienna, starting with the Toyota Safety Sense. It is currently 2.0, like I said before, and we're expecting it to go up to 4.0. We're also expecting to see an update, a major update in the multimedia, in the software, perhaps even the Arene software, which we have on the Toyota RAV4 for 2026. We also have on the RAV4 26 the embedded drive recorder system. We are expecting to see safety equipment like this as well for the next model Toyota Sienna, and we are also expecting to see some type of refresh to the exterior and possibly even the interior, more so along the center console and center dash area, and something a bit more modest on the exterior. Maybe nothing too drastic in terms of redesign or styling for the new next Sienna. Now, as I mentioned before, the Toyota Sienna is only hybrid, so if you want a non-hybrid, it's not an option. You can get them, however, in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. But with regards to the powertrain, I can see Toyota upping the hybrid platform to perhaps the 5th gen or 6th gen Toyota hybrid powertrain system, which would or should increase the overall power and horsepower output of the Toyota Sienna. I know that's one concern, that sometimes the current generation of Toyota Sienna doesn't really have enough pull or enough power to it when you have, the van loaded with cargo or passengers. And we do own and drive a Toyota Sienna. We've been having one for like the past 4 or 5 years now, and really I haven't experienced that concern, but I do hear about it out there online. So an upgrade in terms of the hybrid powertrain, a possible EV model to come, or plug-in hybrid model to come, which would be really cool for the next new Toyota Sienna. I can also see Toyota shuffling around some of the configurations on the models when it comes time to change the Sienna, which hopefully is for 2027. For example, maybe dropping a few models, adding in a few models. Currently, we cannot get an XLE and an all-wheel drive here in Canada, so hopefully bringing back something like that into the lineup, and an all-wheel drive XLE would be great. Maybe dropping one of the LE models. Toyota did drop a few LEs already. If you look at the history, guys, that's why you got to follow me and subscribe, because I know so much about the models and trims, and if you go with the trends, I could see this happening. So Toyota dropped the Highlander LE some time ago, in the hybrid at least. Toyota also dropped the Toyota Camry LE. You can't get a Toyota Camry LE. Now this is for us here in Canada. It might be different from, for you where you are located, but I can see Toyota shuffling around the models a little bit on the next Sienna. So basically, if Toyota does release a new style or a new gen of Sienna for 2027, there's a lot of reasons why you would want to get that instead of a 2026. On the flip side, if you've been notified that you have a 2026 allocated to you and coming in, here's why I would still take it. For the most part, you may already know that the Toyota Sienna is a vehicle that you can't just walk in, see it, take possession of it the next day, and you're done. It's something that you usually have to factory order, which is probably what you've already done if you're watching this video. And it's going to be no different if Toyota does change the model or design in 2027. You will have to wait some amount of time for that as well. So if you already have a Sienna allocated to you, even though it's a 2026 and we may see changes for 2027, I would still take delivery of that 2026 because you still have a hybrid Toyota Sienna, and it's something that you can change again in the future. And when you do change it again, just note that you're going to be dealing with a vehicle that has an extremely high resale value. If you take a look online, whatever market you're in, you can see that Toyota Siennas go for nearly as much as they went for when they were brand new, and they may be 1, 2, or even 3 years old. So dealing with selling or exchanging your 2026 Toyota Sienna in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years may not be a lot of work for you if you still want to make the change once you see what's in store for 2027. Okay, so when will we officially know what's going to happen with the 27 Toyota Sienna model? Well, we won't officially know until Toyota officially releases it, but that should be sometime very soon, because like I mentioned earlier, we only have a few months left of supply for the current 2026. So stay tuned to the Toyota World YouTube channel. As soon as Toyota makes anything official, I will be posting and reviewing exactly what's going on with the 27 Sienna, whether it's, a redesign or a refresh, or whether it's completely the same as 2026. Time will tell. I hope you enjoyed this video topic and review. Hopefully I helped answer some of the questions. Like I said, a lot of questions about the Sienna in my videos, face-to-face, people walking in and asking me what they should do. So hopefully I was able to help you. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.